What up? What up? Okay, my mic is working now. Damn. Okay, I thought it was working from the start, but I guess not. Alright, what's going on, guys? Um, Let me just get set up here, everything, and then we can kind of get moving. Um, Let me put on some music. I'm a little bit tired today, so I'm not exactly sure how long we'll have the stream running for, but we will see. Do 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 do. Let me put this in its own. All right, that should be better. Let me make sure volume's coming through. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the music for a second. Alright, looks like music's only coming through for me. Alright. That should be better. No, it's coming through. Okay, cool. Maybe it just doesn't come through when I'm on full screen. I'm not really sure. So basically, yesterday, we started building with Hermes a little bit over the past couple days, and also maybe it just doesn't come through when I'm on full screen. I'm not really... Besides Hermes, we also started to build out a lead gen tool. So we're going to check that out too. Pretty soon we're going to return to the bakery website, but I'm not sure if that'll be this stream or next. We'll have to see. Maybe we'll do it today. I'm not sure yet. But one thing that I did realize, hold on, let me click this real quick. I don't think this will come over onto this, because this is just on my other computer. Maybe we can figure out how to set up like a server or something. So I've been messing around with Hermes. What I'm doing is I'm having Hermes give me a dashboard with AI models ranking like their strong suits, because I keep hearing good things about Gemini, about building front end. I've had no positive experiences with Gemini, but I've never used it for front end either. So that could be why. Of course, there's good things that's always talked about with GPT-5, Claude Opus, Claude leading model, GPT 5.5, both leading models. And if I'm not mistaken, Grok 4.3 might have came out. So this could be a little bit behind. So yeah. Let me just check the Discord, because I made it so that way a bot posts in the announcements channel now whenever I post. So I want to make sure that that's coming through. Alright, you bet, bro. Okay. Let me see if I can sit in co-working one in Bridgemine track any more people? Because I know we got some people in here. Give a quick little wave. Real quick, let me see. Shay said check in. I'm gonna check to see if he's streaming. Yo, Deblendity, what's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Long time no talk. We're just out here vibe coding some stuff, dude. Okay, so Shay streamed 3 hours ago. Okay, but it was only for a couple minutes, and his live from last night is not up anymore. I'll have to ask him about that. Make sure everything's good. Fine and yourself. It's good to see you. Yeah, thanks, man. Working on building some like AI automations. I'm building a lead gen tool right now. Working on a website as well. Let's see. Have you been streaming to Blended Tea? Let me click read on this. Guys, if you're in the stream right now, come in, pop in and say hi. Let me know what's up. What brings you to the stream? Yo, B-Wall, what's good, brother? How's it going, dude? Thanks for joining up here, man. 100%, bro. Can you guys hear me okay? Can you guys hear the music okay? I'm setting up a skill right now because oftentimes when I have the AI launch like my website locally, it doesn't launch properly and it just like fails to load like this. So I'm finally making a skill so that way I can hopefully fix this. Sound is perfect. No music though. Oh shoot. Or maybe you're saying no music. Turn it off. I don't know. It says that the music is playing. That's weird. I'm glad that the sound is perfect though. So we have it connected for audio. Maybe it's just not turned up enough. I don't know. It looks like it's playing a little bit, but so you guys can't hear the music at all. Let's just keep on cruising along here. I'm not sure that I'm going to actually end up being able to solve that issue if it's not just turning it up. I know some of these sound features are in beta in OBS. They've been in beta for a long time though. And maybe that's why. Oh, let me switch back to this viewer, bro. I gotta get a stream deck or something. Since I'm streaming a lot. I'm gonna forget to switch back to the freaking work, dude. going on, guys? Feel free to pop your head into the chat. Come say hi. Sounds like it's less than 10% of what it should be. Okay, then let me just bump it up so you can hear it though. That we should be able to solve. But I bumped it up a little bit. Let me let this catch up. And then can't even tell it's playing. Okay, faint snares. Let me know if this gets too loud then, man. I didn't bump it up like a crazy amount, but like still bumped it up a little bit, and we'll just go little by little so I don't blow out everybody's eardrums. Because I'm not actively, like, I'm like slightly monitoring the stream. Not crazy though. I appreciate that though, man. Because I'm not actively, like, I'm like slightly monitoring the stream. Do 25% more. Alright, hang on. Hello, hello. Might be too loud now. I'm not sure. It looks like on my screen, it looks like it's like close to, like, pretty close to my voice. So you'll have to let me know how that is, man. Anyways, I'll let that boot up for a sec. Let me know how that is. Alright, what else did I want to boot up here? I wanted to check out, set this up on my network so I can see it on any computer on my network. Alright, I want to set up this server on the network. What were we gonna set up? Oh, handy. So that way we can get some speech to text going. Oh, wait, no, that's not what I meant. I meant the dashboard that I had you work on for the Chrome job. What is everybody working on? How you guys doing today? Hold on, we'll check that in a bit. Jacob, if you're watching this, man, I'm gonna pull up your message in a few. See what's going on, dude. Boom. Alright. You're all set on any computer on your network. Bet. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, cool. I like this. Alright, so I just set this up on fucking, what do you call it? On Hermes, because we're using Hermes now. Just started using this the other night. I pulled my computer from my closet, and Yeah, we finally got it booted, man. I've been thinking about doing this for like months. And I only had it set up a couple things right now. A little content system going in the background for just giving me ideas for content, ideas for Twitter. We still need to refine it a lot because it's not really that great. But now we have a just, a simple dashboard, kind of like how I guess BridgeMine does it. Not that this is exactly the same, but we have a simple dashboard to just keep up to date with all the AI models and how well they're performing. I don't know. I don't know whether to agree with this or not. To put this in front of Claude, man. I don't use Gemini that much, but I don't know that I would rank it right there. But anyways, can we also do this for my other cron job? For the social media stuff, can we create a little dashboard where on a server I can view all my Obsidian notes on any computer on this network? Oh no, it's not Chrome Jab. Oh well. All right, we'll see if that can actually pull that. Let's see how this is doing on the skill here. Let me see. I got our lead gen tool. I thought somewhere open, man. Okay, I don't know what happened to our lead gen tool. Maybe it shut down. Oh, it's only open here. Okay. Alright, I've never actually used it inside this before, so this should be interesting. Plumbing. Let's do Austin. That's what we did as an example. Do 5 leads. We just built this yesterday, so we got to test some features out in this and see if it actually works. It's supposed to scrape a bunch of these different places, but I'm sure not all these are actually set up properly. Let's test out something different than Google Maps. Let's test out these 3, and let's try that. All sources blocked. Yeah. Okay. So that definitely didn't work. Wait. It said blocked. Oh, it was able to pull from Bing. Okay. I'm not really sure that that's the name of the business, though. Unless it's just not done, but... And that is definitely not apparent. I need to be able to see more here. Let me make sure that this folder's booted up. Let me take a screenshot with Gimme. Alright, let's switch off to Kimmy. paste this in here. Alright, so I need to be able to see more. Underneath the business section, you can't really see the names. They get cut off at a certain point. I need to be able to see the full name of the business. Otherwise, this doesn't make sense. Boom. At some point, I think I'm going to get a GPT subscription pretty soon. Test that out. Can you guys hear the music better now? Can you still hear my voice? Alright, let's check on Hermes, see what this is doing. Alright, so it's still working. It's typing something up here. Hopefully it actually recognized that I was talking about a cron job and not a Chrome job, because that's a little bit different. Hey, welcome to the stream, guys. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Let me know what's good, what you're working on. We're building a lead gen tool right now. Been working on a website for a couple days. We'll get back to that soon. All right, bet. B-Wall, appreciate it, bro. Gonna check out this. My friend said he built a COD game, so let's check this out real quick while we're waiting for stuff to get finished. Yeah, we still got time. Okay. Alright, I'm searching. This COD game might not work. We might not have any other players to play. What else can we do? Let's try scraping some different things. Let's see which ones fail, which ones actually work. Just go ahead and delete this. We don't need it. Being scraped incredibly quick. So that was great. Wow, Bing scrapes so fast, man. But I don't think it's actually that's not like actual business names from the look of it. It's just like doing the same thing. What is this? Okay, I can leave a little message. Okay. If I just put it on Google Maps, what is this gonna do? Alright, hopefully this didn't... It was working yesterday on, it was on Replit though. So maybe it needs to be on Replit to work? I don't know. I gotta check. No response. Looks like this one's failing. Retrying in 2.1 seconds. Shame, man. Still searching here. Alright, Hermes is typing, so I guess that's fine. I haven't even heard of a lot of these things. I don't know. TripAdvisor's familiar, Thumbtack, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, Homes, The Knot, Wedding Wire. Okay. Those are all... Yo, try search. Yeah, man. I'm on search right now, Jacob. Look. See? Loading, connecting to match. Alright, hang on. Just let me do this and I'll join that and test that out in between. Let me just make sure this is oh, try hard refresh. I don't even think I need to. I think you just saw. Yeah. I can't shoot or anything, dude. Go back to main. That's pretty cool, though. Okay, I got a hard refresh, bro. Notes are rendering beautifully. Now let me add the Windows port. Forward. Go back to lobby, bro. I'm in lobby, man. Stream lag. So just... I'm in lobby now. I'm searching, unless you actually want me to fully go back to lobby and not search for anything yet. Yeah, I want to get done with this and then we'll start running multiple tasks at a time. But for right now, I want to run through this. I want to see if these are just not working because this is running or what. Obsidian. Cool, man. Alright, nice. We got it. Let me get your game pulled up. Disconnected. Server lost, man. So what do you want me to do here? It keeps saying server lost. Control Shift R. Alright. Nah, didn't do nothing, bro. There we go, there we go. Okay, it did this time. Still disconnected though, bro. I'll try closing it out and restarting it fully. Let me check on this. Okay. Let's just go ahead. Let's boot this up real quick. Alright, so it looks like Bing Maps is the only thing that succeeds. Alright, so I need you to go in and fix all the general directories. None of them are working other than Big Maps. Whoops, I said Big Maps, bro. Alright, so let's let this run. Let's let it do its thing. Still disconnected, bro. Oh, Jacob, I think it's busted, man. I think it doesn't let me. Maybe it doesn't let me make the same option twice because this one's fine. 2v2 says it's fine. Like it's searching. Alright, for Obsidian, can you give me links to these guys' channels that you're doing the research on? When it's on the website, or also in Obsidian Vault if it's not already there? Alright, it looks like it's searching now for 1v1. Hey guys, I'm just gonna leave it up to you with the music. I'm still gonna be here. I gotta take a quick phone call real quick. So just give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Alright, gang, we're back. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see what's going on here. It was using Replit before. I think that's why it's probably not pulling it up. So it's probably because I launched this shit on Replit. So we're no longer using Replit, and that could be the reason why. Also, Kubus, or not Kubus, Matrix. What AI am I using for Hermes? I'm using GLM 5.1 mainly. For anything that I need vision for, I use Kimike 2.6, or I use DeepSeek V4. Alright, let me see, dude. Let me see what this booted up. Alright. It's not what I wanted, bro. I don't want the links in a separate location. Like, I want everything to be clickable when you launch this as a website. So, like, within the SWOT analysis, I want to be able to use it there. No, so Matrix, I pay $20 a month for Llama, which isn't bad. So it's not free. But actually, I think you can use, if I'm not mistaken, if we go to Llama, I think actually you can use a certain amount of it for free. You just get 50x more usage than free with the Pro plan for $20. So it's actually probably usable as long as you use it in like low thinking mode. You probably can still use it for free, yeah. But don't quote me on that. Is Claude in Llama? No. So Llama is for like the more like open source, like LLM style models, like the Chinese models and different stuff like that. No, if you want Claude and stuff, man, you're better off going to OpenRouter. You've access to so many models there. I know you already know that because I'm pretty sure that's what you use. Alright, let's see what else we can change on this. I don't need Kimike 2.6 anymore. Let's try DeepSeek, man. I don't use this that much. I don't... Let me restart that. I don't want any duplicate data in the lead scraper. So when putting in the data, if you find the same information on multiple sources, if you could just mark what that source is, like for instance, if you find the same data on Google Maps and the same data on Bing as well, then just mark that in like a sources section rather than making another entry in the table. Yeah, I'm on Open Router right now. That's what I thought, dude. I thought you were in Open Router. Alright, I didn't plug in my hard drive yet either. Give me 1 sec, guys. Alright, let me plug this shit in, man. How's your stuff going, dude? How's your stuff going, Matrix? Alright, great. Now we got them in the correct spots. Awesome. Not good and not bad. Interesting. Alright, he's fixing that. Got our little benchmark thing, man. So, oh wait, it tells us the different, let's boot up the baking page too. Do. Fiverr projects. GLM 5.1. I want you to boot up the website using the skill for launching the server for fixing the error when you launch websites locally. Let me see who's online right now. Slideform, Consortium, Firewall, Ken, Never Unknown. The gang, dude. Shay's over in fucking Nora, dude. You're in Nora, Matrix. Cool. Maybe I'll join Nora in a bit. I'm either gonna Nora it up today or I'm gonna freaking take a nap, bro, at some point. It's one of those days, man. What is this PS1 file, bro? Boom, 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 boom. But I am sitting in Bridgemind right now. I'm trying to get that fucking Bridgemind, capture that Bridgemind audience, get them in here. Did this say it launched a server already or no? Yeah, I'm gonna do it up. Yo, what up? Yo, what up? Oh, hold on, guys. My mic's not working. Yo. What's going on, guys? Shay, you streaming right now? Ooh, dude, I like that. I like that overlay, dude. Matrix, you here? Yo. How we doing, boys? Yo, how's your project going, Matrix? It's hard, man. Yeah. I bet, dude. Wait. Which one are you working on right now? Did you figure out the Twitch thing that you were working on? Or are you back to working on the other one? Are you working on them both? Yeah. Okay. Use OpenClaw, you said, without an external subscription. What do you mean by external subscription? They have a subscription now? I didn't even know, dude. Yeah, I didn't freaking know that. Alright, let's see. Let me duplicate this shit. Boom. Discord chat. Yo. Could somebody talk real quick? Sweet. Did it, boys. What are you working on, Brahim? Yo, what's up? Fuck, dude, I forgot what your name is in the other chat. Kill. I just gotta call you by whatever your name pops up here now, I guess. Oh, wait, is it Ken?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it. Alright, cool.
There we go. Yeah, Shay invited me.
Shay invited you, you said?
I didn't know this before now.
Mm-hmm.
How you doing, Brian?
How can I get you to post on Twitter? Let me see. Alright guys, so I want to get this making posts on my behalf on Twitter, maybe on Reddit, you know, whatever platforms that we can get this posted on, and then get that going.
New auto peddler. What? I wanna try it out.
Also, maybe I'll make a cron job for this to run my social media content in general. So like my YouTube content, for instance, and it'll just daily scrape my streams, and then it'll turn that into shorts or whatever. Make sure that doesn't pop up with my API keys. Alright, so we'd have to pull from the API, basically, maybe what this is telling me? Alright, so I think I'm gonna say fuck it, man. I think I'm gonna connect this to the API to fucking just, where is it, dude? Where did the Twitter API go? All right, let me just pull that back up. Let me see how this is going. That's up and running. This is still doing its thing. I just got to do this on the other screen, guys. Those API keys, though. You know what I mean? I feel like this isn't pulling my correct Twitter account. Hold on. Developers. Let me just sign in. Maybe that's what I need to do. Alright, looks like the music just died. Let me fix that real quick.
Your little buddy.
Yo, what's up? Delro, what's going on, man?
What's going on, buddy?
What's going on, dude? Create a self-proving AI messaging model. Must be 100 characters. You understand that you may not resell anything you receive via XAPIs. Okay, I think this is fine. Alright, let me submit that. Yo, what's up, J-Mart? How you doing, dude?
What up, bro?
What's up, man?
Tired as hell.
Oh shit, me too, man. Stayed up
How come?
way too late last night.
Down on a monster, dude.
Nice, nice. Oh fuck. I'm fucking streaming right now, by the way, guys. I know I didn't fucking say that. Does he have coding skins? What is good, you said? Bro, I wish I could turn up my mic more. Sucks, dude. Oh shoot. What the fuck? Alright. Link your fucking XAPI team. Alright, that's good. That's still doing nothing. Yo, what up, Shay? Good, dude. Bet, dude. Bet. Matrix, what the fuck you watching, bro? That's Matrix, right? What'd you say? Yeah, 100%, dude. Oh, Dota? Oh, okay. Okay. Fucking, let me see. 302. Alright, putting in my bank information. I'm not sharing my screen, right? Okay, good. Fuck it, we'll just fucking link this shit, bro. Never run out of credits, no thank you. Well, we can run out of credits, bro. I don't want to get fucked here. Where do I take yes, regenerate. Alright, I'm not sure what I actually need to give this shit, bro. Alright, I'm just putting in some API stuff, so token. Yo. Okay, my mic's not coming through in Discord. That's good. The other thing is freaking, what do I need? Access token. we're just putting in all these keys, guys. So just sit back and chill for a second. Will you have everything you need when I paste that? Or do you need another API key? Alright, so I'm just gonna AnyDesk into my PC real quick. Forgot we can't do that. Sucks. Let's see if I can TeamViewer in. I don't know which computer it is. Can you just give me a link to authenticate through Twitter instead? Let me see what this says here. Still typing, still typing. I want you to take a quick look at these sites for some inspiration for the baking site and really spice this up a little bit, make it a lot better. But make it a test. I want this to not affect the site right now. I just basically want you to redo the homepage and put it on a completely different test page. Don't switch it to the main homepage right now. What did you say, Matrix? Spawn ads? What do you mean by spawn ads? I don't know. What's going on, dude? Oh shit. Bro, OneDrive sucks, dude. OneDrive's mad annoying. Alright, I got a fucking team viewer into my other PC right now. Team viewer sucks, bro. Use what? RDP? Yeah. Oh, I don't think, I'm not sure if they're both like like the professional version or whatever the upgrade that actually comes with that is. I think one of them isn't. Cause that's like the built-in one, right? Or no? You can? Boo. 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 Bro, this is terrible, man. I'm just trying to connect Hermes to my freaking my Twitter account right now. That's all I'm trying to do. All I'm trying to do, man. Yeah, I just loaded $5 in. $5. Was it? Yeah. Yeah, probably driving up costs 100%. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Bro, this is so bad, dude. Like, TeamViewer sucks, man. Yeah, AnyDesk is a little bit better, but I forgot fucking... It's set up on my other computer to connect to this computer. I guess I could pull it up through TeamViewer and just get the credentials. Yeah, I guess I can do that. Alright, let me connect. AnyDesk. Huh, what did I make the password on this shit though? Yeah, that must have been it, bro. Oh man. Fuck, dude. We're in, boys. Just the whole copy and paste functionality just blows, man. I don't know. I can't remember how it is on any desk. I know I was literally just using this last night, but Control Shift C. What do you mean by mark? Oh. Yeah, the only the fucking problem with this dude is I'm fucking typing in shitty fucking terminal, dude, that doesn't allow me to fucking copy paste properly. Yeah, motherfucker, fuck you, dude. Is there a way to send over my freaking shift keys, bro? Yeah, I mean it is, but like the only issue is I'm copying something on on my other device. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's not fucking working, bro. Fuck that, dude. Sucks. Alright, we'll worry about fucking this shit later then. I'll just have the $5 in there and I'll surprise myself. I'll probably fucking forget about it for like 6 months. I don't think this finished, did it? Like, let me reload this. Austin. Lead sources. Check sources. See which ones work. Failed right away. Everything other than Bing Maps, dude. So Bing Maps is still the only thing that actually works. Focus on Google Maps. See if you can get Google Maps to actually work and to start scraping leads again. Maybe it has to do with the fact that we were hosting this on Replit before, and now it's no longer on Replit, and we're just hosting this locally. But try to get this to actually scrape Google Maps for these leads. Yeah, this shit ain't working. Alright, fucking, let me boot up the other page. Let me see how this is coming along. Wait a second, maybe copy and paste just isn't working on my computer. Hold on. Oh no, it's working. Never mind. Not working in VS Code though. Dude, I don't want to run this site inside VS Code, bro. That's ass, bro. Localhost / test - home. Ooh, that is no good. Alright, so I actually like the test site that you did, but it looks like there's some weird overlapping of different text at the top of the page, which is really weird. So please fix that. Come on, man. Scraper files have hard-coded Linux replit paths for Chrome driver. I'll fix both scraper to auto-detect Chrome on Windows. Let Selenium Manager auto-locate the driver if it's not the path. Okay. Bro, Jmar, what else should I get my fucking Hermes to do, bro? Yeah, it's like OpenClaw. I have it like researching like the latest AI news, and it updates me like twice a day, and then I have it research content as well for me, like to ideate content. I mean, what else would you guys have this shit do? What do you think? Agent decoding. Alright. What else should I get you to do? What would other people want you to do for them on a daily basis? Let's find out, man. Hermes, hack Matrix's computer. Nah, that's fine, that's fine. Great question. Here's what I'm best at. Things people commonly automate with me on a daily basis. Morning news, competitive monitoring, watch a company's blog, GitHub releases, pricing pages, big alerts, research niche. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna come back to doing another thing. Alright, I want you to make another cron job to check once a day for the top ranked Claude skills on GitHub. So the ones with the most stars. And then put those in an Obsidian file and mark that on a daily basis. And yeah, I think that might be it. Wanted to do one more thing, but I couldn't remember. Content creation, social media posts, drafts with your voice and angles, blog posts, outlines or full drafts, newsletter generation. I guess I could have it write me stuff for a newsletter. Code and DevOps, GitHub repo monitoring, new issues. Is Discord API free? Alright, so maybe we can get it to monitor Discord. Possibly. Let's let it finish this, and then I also want you to set up a daily cron job to write me 10 different posts for my newsletter on AI. Write me something new based off the data that you find for the day off Twitter, and use that to write a daily newsletter for attracting clients to my AI business. Alright, that's not really giving it a whole lot of information, so we'll see what it kind of gets from that. Keeps thinking I'm saying Chrome, man, or Chrome. Yo. Shit. Brahim's sleeping. We get to watch him sleep. He's dozing, bro. Damn. Do, 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 do. I want it to be for things along the lines of Claude skills or MCP servers, like things like that that could help me in my coding and AI usage journey. Oh, dude, I wish I went to the gym today, man. That would have been nice. Alright, I'm gonna go deafen myself and fucking bridge mine. Peace. Peace, boys. Peace, Matrix. Also want you to set up daily cron job to write me 10 different posts for my newsletter. Alright, let's let this finish through. Let's check on this. Yeah, bro, what the fuck is going on here? Oh, I see what it did. It, yeah, so this is fine here. I mean, nothing crazy. Let me click off this because nothing's going on there right now. Let me go to GitHub. Let me see. Find and close. It's not what the one we wanted actually. I want Jake's Bakes. Jake's Bakes. Public repo. You guys have any code improvements for this site? Let me know. I feel like we already did this though. Didn't we already do a block in here so that way for 2 hours outside of the address? Let's see. Alright, then let's go to the FAQ section. So that's fixed. Close that out. Not even sure why that was open. Okay, so oh shit. Okay, so one of the unique selling points of this business is that we have specialized packaging, which we can do individualized packaging for all the items, and this is something that a lot of other bakeries don't provide. So I want to figure out a way that we can highlight this on the site. Alright, let's see what it does with that. This is still not working. Alright, let me try this again. Plumbing, Austin. Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, hang on one sec. Alright, gang, gonna let you guys tune into the music for a sec. Gonna go off face cam too. Enjoy. Our gang. We're back. Probably only gonna be on here for another little while, real quick. Like 10 minutes or so, and then we'll close out the stream here, get a nice little 2-hour stream in. But if you've been following along, we've been pushing Hermes a little bit. And yeah, we've been pushing Hermes, pushing stuff to the Jake's Bakes page. Let's go ahead and test this. Plumbing. Let's see what happens when... Yeah, Google Maps. Okay. Let's check on Jake's Bakes. Okay, that's actually really nice. Alright, I actually really like that. Cool, and then we just need some pictures or something. Unless we rock and roll with that. Whoops. What did that replace though? That's the only question. I'm not sure what section was here. Maybe it just added one. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's commit this to GitHub. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. I've never done it in this page before. Commit the changes to GitHub. Push them. Hey, welcome to the stream. Probably gonna only be on here for a couple more minutes. Gotta get my daughter down to sleep. But who knows? But yeah. If you're new to the stream, feel free to pop your head in the chat. If you're not new to the stream, pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Let me know what you're working on. I'm building a lead gen tool. I'm building bakery website. And right now we're pushing some GitHub changes. We're working with Hermes as well in the background, doing some jobs on here as well. Hopefully we can update that revenue counter soon. Actually, not hopefully. We are going to update that revenue counter pretty soon. But I want to update it in the positive direction as opposed to the negative direction that it's been going. All set. Here's your daily newsletter set up. Okay. We don't need to use the Twitter API for this job. Use Twitter and the web the same way you do for the content job. Alright, hopefully we can fix this because you got the wrong idea. Wait, is this still... I could have swore I just wanted to push stuff to GitHub. Oh, currently in plan mode. Okay. I just switched off plan mode. Go ahead and push the changes to GitHub. Typing. Alright, what's up with this? 8 leads. Okay. Stop this. It works. So that's fine. Delete all these. Does it not listen to stop? It might not listen to stop, bro. Oh well. It's not listening when I click the stop button for scraping leads. Oh, yes it did. Yes it did. Hold on. It was just lagging. Let's go ahead and stop this one too because we don't need that many. Let's just do 5.
She's probably frightened. You can stay in here.
And hopefully I just stopped the same one. Web search, find what's trending on X, says across the web. Yeah. Just want to make sure that this got this accurately. It's fine, dude. New session. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, feel free to like the stream. Helps me get out to more of you guys. It's really helpful for me. Helps keep my head up and keep on streaming, fellas. Alright, here's exactly what it does every day. Web search, write 10 posts, and do some newsletters. Okay. Alright, that sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and check on this. Let's just give this a refresh. Yeah, let's give this a refresh. Plumbing, because it stopped doing whatever. This had before. We'll do 5 for now. Give this a minute. I want to monitor it a little bit.
Okay. You're probably fine. She's fine. She's here now.
Okay. Then we'll, she's good to go. Alright, scraping Google Maps, going through that, push to GitHub, okay. For some reason it didn't push to Git ignore, not really sure why. Well, for this, so we already added this. Yeah, we'll close it. Let's see if the nav bar still covers the product or not. That's right, Avery. It looks like the admin page might be fucked up right now. No, okay. False alarm. This was already fixed. I remember fixing this actually, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Let's check out the AI integration here. Let's go back to the site. Yo, welcome to the stream. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. For some reason, the site keeps having issues to load, so we might need to look for some bugs on that. New conversation. Where is all the gluten-free stuff?
You grab a book. You grab a book.
Oops, that's Telegram. Hold on, I'm just gonna close Telegram out, close Hermes out for a second so I don't confuse myself. Alright, I want to actually set up the user AI mode where I can ask questions to the AI and it will walk me through those questions or where to find different things on the site. Right now it's not actually functioning. It says, I'm having trouble right now. Please try again or contact us directly. What do you need from me, or are you able to fix this yourself?
What is that?
Here's all the scraping. Here's all the scraping directories that are failing. Can you please test this and see why they're failing and see if you can fix them?
Here, look. Look. Oh, it's coming out. There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Good work. Alright, you ready to go downstairs? Stick. Down.
Alright, I still need to set up our Discord. Let me see if I can get a developer token for our Discord. Let's see. How would I attach AI to my Discord? Oh, I think Hunter said I gotta run a webhook to do this. Alright, we'll definitely check that out later. Wow. Bow, bow, bow. Alright, let me see if I'm signed into the Google account. So that way I can pull some API keys. Bow, bow. I am not signed into. Oh. Hop back in here. Yo. Hey. Yo. Yo, what's the purpose of this Discord, eh? Raheem. What's good, man? Oh, peace, I guess. Bum, bum, bum. Oh man, I'm fucking tired, dude. I don't know if this is still working or not, or if this is fucking busted. Alright. I'm gonna shut this shit down though. BRB. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap the stream up for today. If you guys are looking to get your own website or need help with AI, the Discord is available down below for free. Feel free to check that out. Also in the pinned comment. But also, if you need a website, if you're running a business, you know, that's making money or you want it to make money, you know, the way to go is to make sure that you have a website and have some automation set up. Now, I went ahead, made a quick little profile on Fiverr. Feel free to reach out to me here if you need an app, website, whatever. Doesn't matter. And yeah, you can message me here and get some stuff up so that way you can get some monies. You know, everybody likes money, so yep, it's what keeps the world going round. But yeah, feel free to message me here, join the Discord, message me there, join up, and I'll see you guys in the next stream. Alright, peace.